Namaste, Swagate, आप सबका.
So today I'm taking you to a hidden gem tucked away in the streets of Fremantle, एक ऐसी जगह जो आर्ट, क्रिएटिविटी, लव और नेचर से घिरी हुई है। जैसे ही आप इन स्ट्रीट्स में एंटर करते हो, आपको एक अलग ही वाइब फील होती है। एक सुकून, एक कामनेस जो धीरे धीरे आपको अपनी तरफ खींच लेती है। और अगर आप एक ऐसी जगह की तलाश में हो जहाँ बस आप बैठ सको, रिलैक्स कर सको और अपने थॉट्स में खो जाओ, अपनी क्रिएटिविटी के वर्ल्ड में खो जाओ, तो ये प्लेस बिल्कुल आपके लिए है। यहाँ आप सिर्फ एक कैफ़े में नहीं बैठे हो, बल्कि नेचर के बिल्कुल पास बैठे हो। चारों तरफ आर्ट ही आर्ट, हर कॉर्नर में क्रिएटिविटी और एक ऐसा फील जो आपको कनेक्टेड महसूस कराता है। ये एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ टाइम स्लो हो जाता है, आइडियाज़ नेचुरली फ्लो करने लगते हैं और साइलेंस भी मीनिंगफुल लगता है। अगर आप एक आर्टिस्ट हो तो ये सिर्फ एक कैफ़े नहीं लगेगा, ये आपको अपना घर लगेगा। एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ क्रिएटिविटी सच में ज़िंदा है। और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, ये एक कैफ़े है तो ऑब्वियसली कॉफ़ी तो अमेजिंग होगी ही, क्योंकि एक परफेक्ट कॉफ़ी कप के बिना ये एक्सपीरियंस अधूरा है। सो टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ, grab your coffee and let's begin our journey as we explore this beautiful space together. Hi everyone, my name is Rahul and welcome back to my YouTube channel In Depth with Rahul and also welcome back to our recent series Best Cafes in Perth. आप सबका हमारी सीरीज़ में स्वागत है और उससे पहले मैं आप सबका तहे दिल से थैंक्स करना चाहता हूं बिकॉज आप सब ने हमारी प्रीवियस वीडियोस को इतना प्यार दिया, पिछले सारे एपिसोड्स को इतना प्यार दिया जिसने हमें बहुत ही इंस्पायर किया है। और जैसे आप सबने हमारी प्रीवियस वीडियोस को और व्लॉग्स को इतना प्यार दिया है विच ट्रूली मीन्स अ लॉट टू आवर टीम, और मेरे लिए भी वो बहुत मैटर करता है। और मैं अपनी टीम और अपनी तरफ से आप सबका बहुत ही थैंक्स करना चाहता हूँ हमारे व्यूअर्स का। और आप सब ऐसे ही हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, वीडियोस को लाइक करते रहिए और हम इसी तरह आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छा कंटेंट लेकर आते रहेंगे। So moving forward guys, for some people, cafes are not just a place to grab a coffee, they are a whole experience. For some people, it's their happy space where they meet new people and random people without any stress and without the stress of daily life and simply escape the noise of daily life. And for others, where creativity comes alive and where ideas turn into something beautiful. And today I'm taking you to a cafe where art speaks louder than words, a space truly made for creators, artists, and dreamers. So, welcome back everyone to our recent series Best Cafes in Perth. And today we are going to shoot the fifth episode of our recent series Best Cafes in Perth. And in this episode, we are going to feature this amazing cafe which is called The Raw Nature. And you can say that Raw Nature, which is truly inspiring. You might have seen people coming into cafes, having coffee, having meetings, and just enjoy sitting there and enjoy the cup of coffee. But this place is different. This is where artists sit down with the cup of coffee and create masterpieces. सो गाइस, कुछ प्लेसेस ऐसी होती हैं जहां आपकी कंसंट्रेशन लग जाती है और जहां आपका ध्यान लग जाता है। और एज एन आर्टिस्ट स्पीकिंग, अगर कोई ऐसी जगह मिल जाए जहां पर कोई डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो, बस क्रिएटिविटी हो और साथ में कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी हो, तो वो तो अलग ही बात हो जाएगी। और चलिए आज एक ऐसे कैफ़े को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं जहां आपको मिलेगी आर्ट, आर्टिस्ट एंड क्रिएटिविटी विद द कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर जर्नी।
Namaste, let's go.
As you can see, the way the staff welcomed us was just amazing. इतना warm और friendly welcome था कि एंट्री से ही पॉजिटिव वाइब आ गई। यहाँ हर कोई किसी ना किसी चीज़ में बिजी है, कोई क्रिएट कर रहा है, कोई लिख रहा है और कुछ लोग बस कैजुअली अपना कॉफ़ी और फूड इंजॉय कर रहे हैं। एक साइड पर आपको उनका कॉफ़ी स्टेशन दिखेगा जहाँ स्टाफ फ्रेश कॉफ़ी बना रहा है और आप देख सकते हैं कि स्टाफ प्रॉपर तरीके से फूड प्रिपरेशन भी कर रहे हैं, साथ ही साथ वो अमेजिंग फूड सर्व भी कर रहे हैं। और अगर बात करें उनकी कॉफ़ी और फूड की, तो ऑनेस्टली इट्स आउटस्टैंडिंग। हर एक चीज़ में क्वालिटी और टेस्ट क्लियरली फील होता है। और सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, यहाँ पे उनका एक कैबिनेट फूड सेक्शन भी है जहाँ इतनी ज़्यादा वेराइटीज़ हैं कि आप लिटरली कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि ट्राई क्या करें। फिर जैसे ही आप कैफ़े के अंदर एंटर करते हो, यू कैन इंस्टेंटली फील द वाइब। हर तरफ पेंटिंग्स, आर्ट, क्रिएटिविटी। ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे पूरा स्पेस एक लिविंग कैनवस हो। बट आई मस्ट टेल यू, इतनी ब्यूटीफुल और यूनिक जगह को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए हमें एक प्रॉपर टूर लेना चाहिए किसी ऐसे इंसान के साथ जो इस प्लेस को अच्छे से जानता हो। तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं इस कैफ़े का प्रॉपर टूर, और उसके बाद हम यहाँ के स्टाफ के साथ थोड़ी सी कॉन्वर्सेशन भी करेंगे। सो लेट्स गो। So moving forward, guys, the person standing next to me is Laura. She's an amazing person, and she is behind the amazing content of this cafe because she is the official content creator of this cafe. So
Hi.
I guess she is the right person to give us a tour of this cafe.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
what do you say? Let's move it to the tour.
Yeah, let's go. Let's have a look.
All right. See.
Hey guys, welcome to Doro Nature Gallery. So I'm gonna show you the cafe inside. Whenever you come in, you go through this alleyway with this music, and then you'll see how it is inside. Let's go. Hi, so here is the way to the cafe. So we are located 5 Henry Street in Fremantle. So come on in and see how it looks like. So as you can see, we have a beautiful entrance with the glass. So it's always surprising to everyone who's coming here. So come and see how it's look inside. Here you go. So you can have a look at the cafe. So it's pretty big. As you can see, we have many arts from the local, from Fremantle. So this is our cafe. We have like around maybe 30 seats inside, and we have a really nice balcony as well. So this is our beautiful balcony, and then just inside you can see all the art we have inside from our local artists. Personally, on my opinion, my favorite one would be this one. And it was painted by our owner, Dave. I think it's really, really beautiful. And if you're an artist yourself, you're most welcome to come and draw here. We actually have a live drawing session every Tuesday, so you're most welcome to come and visit the cafe. Oh, good. So moving forward, we have our coffee section and our tea section. So this is where you're ordering your food and your beautiful coffee. And then we have our cabinet food. So it's fresh made from here. And we have our bakery did by Sam. She's actually baking every day here and doing all the beautiful cakes. And it's coming from Mary Street Bakery, so they are very, very good. And yeah, so this is our cabinet food. Then next to it, we have actually our bakery station. So Sam is not here today, but you can see at the back that we have our kitchen section. So here you go, and that's our section in the cafe. All right, guys, so here you have a really nice table, and you can see we have in the back a really nice balcony where you can actually sit as well during like sunny days. You're most welcome, of course, to come here, and you can draw and be inspired by our hidden garden.
So Laura, just let's have a conversation about yourself as a. How long you've been working in here?
So I've started working here last May, so that would be more than a year now.
Okay, that's great to know. And do you like working in here? And you want to explain something to like viewers, like about this place?
Yeah, I actually really liked working here. I was myself surprised when I came in here.
Yeah.
I had no idea this cafe existed. So when I entered, I really liked the vibe and the unique atmosphere.
Yeah.
So I just tried my best, and I was like, oh, I'm looking for a job. So they straight away hired me. So I was really, really happy.
That's great to know. And another thing I wanted to ask you, I've seen onto the social media as well, you guys have the jazz music as well, which
Yeah.
is truly inspiring.
Yeah.
So there's not more cafes like who invite the artists to play the jazz music in there, and
Yeah.
especially live.
Yeah.
So do you want to say something about it?
So yeah, we have a jazz evening every second Thursday.
Yeah.
The last one happened this week, but yeah, in 2 weeks we're gonna have a new one. We actually have a live band playing.
Okay.
You have food. You can have wine and beer. We got the
Okay.
authorization to sell alcohol during the evening, during our
Okay.
evening. So yeah, you're most welcome to come. We have really good food, desserts, and a very like
Amazing.
good atmosphere. It starts at 7 and finish around 9 p.m. And these past few weeks we have been quite busy, so we are really happy about it.
That's a good thing
Yeah.
to being busy. And that's amazing, guys. If you love music and if you love art, this is the place for you.
Yeah.
And I can see that it's full of creativity. And if you're an artist, if you're sitting in a place like this, you are just lost into your thoughts. And you are away from the noise of this world, and you just got deep into your thoughts. That's why I named my channel In Depth with Rahul. And this cafe truly justifies that. So one last thing. So we are featuring you onto the best cafes of the Perth, the
Yeah.
list of best cafes in the Perth. So are you excited about it? And
Yeah,
how do
of
you feel about
course.
it?
Of course, we are so glad and very happy about that. I think we are unique. Even myself that really loves looking for brunch, I think I've still now haven't find a place like that somewhere
Yeah,
in Perth.
definitely.
So I think it really deserves to be in the best cafe from Perth. So me and the team are really happy about it.
Thank you so much. It'll be my pleasure and my team's pleasure to
Yeah.
record you guys.
Thank
because
you.
you guys deserve a place, and you guys most importantly not deserve. You guys earn the place because this cafe is just amazing.
Thank
And
you.
It's my first time coming in here, so mostly I go to cafes which I have been visited before, but
Yeah.
this is the cafe which truly inspires me
Yeah.
because I'm an artist and I love this kind of places. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For giving us a chance to portray your beautiful cafe into our
Thank
list.
you. Thank you for
Thank you.
coming.
Thank you. So guys, we are standing next to the amazing staff of this cafe. So let's have a conversation with them and ask them about how they feel about working in here. So moving forward. Hi man, how are you?
Hi, I'm pretty good, thank you.
What's your good name?
I'm Alessandro.
Okay, nice to meet you.
to
And
meet you,
this
bro.
cafe is really perfect. It's so amazing. Do you want to say something about this place?
Yeah, I love it, and I'm feeling so grateful to work in here. I'm feeling like home, and I think I'm gonna stay there.
That's perfect. Are you a chef in here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, he's the chef in there. He's the person behind the magical food comes onto your table. So say thanks to him and thanks for watching.
See you soon.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your good name?
My name is Maria.
Maria. So Maria, how long you been working in here?
I've in this place specifically I've been working like 1 week, something like that.
Okay.
In the company I've been working around 1 month.
Okay, that's great to know. And do you want to say something about this place to our viewers? Because the people coming in, do you want to send any message about this place?
Yeah, of course, like everyone is more than welcome to come here to this beautiful space that we work in and
Yeah.
to try our amazing food and our coffees. You're more than welcome and we wait for you here.
Thank you so much, Maria. So nice talking to you. Next up, we have some pretty girls who work in here. They are pretty, but they are talented as well. So let's talk to them. Hi, what's your good name?
Hi, I'm Martina.
Martina, and your name?
I'm Yuka.
Yoka. So how long you guys working in here?
It's gonna be 1 year in August.
And about you? How long you been working?
It's been 5 months so far, I guess.
5 months. And do you guys enjoy working in here? And you want to say something about to our viewers about this place?
Yeah, working here it's really nice. It's a beautiful space, and I love our team. It feels like being home with your family.
Yeah, me too. I love working here. So especially this place feels really special and beautiful. And moreover, the people working here is very kind, and I love them.
Yeah, I can see that all of the guys are really nice to each other. That's what makes the place so special. And thank you so much, guys, for being on the camera and being speaking about the place. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you guys for watching this video. So if you want to come, we are located 5 Henry Street in Fremantle. So you're most welcome to visit this place and have a really good coffee and good food. So see you then.
So guys, this was our 5th episode of Best Cafes in Perth series featuring the Raw Nature Studio Gallery and Cafe. I hope आप सबको ये कैफ़े बहुत ही अच्छा लगा होगा. And I personally believe ये कैफ़े बाकी कैफ़े से बहुत ही अलग है क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको नेचर देखने को मिलेगा, आर्ट देखने को मिलेगा और आर्टिस्ट की क्रिएटिविटी भी देखने को मिलेगी. ये एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर आप आराम से बैठकर अपनी कंसंट्रेशन के साथ बुक रीड कर सकते हो, अपना काम कर सकते हो और अपनी ड्राइंग कर सकते हो या किसी भी चीज़ में जिसमें आप प्रॉपर फोकस्ड होकर करना चाहते हो, किसी चीज़ को अगर आप फोकस्ड होकर करना चाहते हो, आई थिंक दिस इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेस टू डू दैट स्टफ. सो दिस वाज द डोरो नेचर कैफ़े. डोरो मीन्स draw the nature and you can draw your creativity in here and आप म्यूज़िक भी कर सकते हो, ड्राइंग भी कर सकते हो. और आई थिंक इस कैफ़े का हिडन मीनिंग ये था कि आपके अंदर जो भी क्रिएटिविटी है, अगर आप आर्टिस्ट हो या आप आर्टिस्ट नहीं भी हो, ये प्लेस आपको इंस्पायर कर देती है कुछ ऐसा करने को जिसके अंदर आर्ट और क्रिएटिविटी की झलक दिखती है. और इफ़ यू आस्क मी, ये जगह ऐसी है कि अगर आप आर्टिस्ट नहीं भी हो तो भी आपको ड्राइंग करने का या कुछ क्रिएट करने का मन करेगा क्योंकि इस प्लेस का जादू ही कुछ ऐसा है. और अगर आप मुझसे पूछो तो मैं इस कैफ़े में ज़रूर आना पसंद करूँगा क्योंकि मुझे एक ऐसी जगह बहुत पसंद आती है जहाँ पे मैं शांति से अपने थॉट्स को प्रोसेस कर सकूँ, और उसके साथ अगर कॉफ़ी का कप भी हो जाए तो वो तो अलग ही बात हो जाती है। सो दिस वाज आवर 5th एपिसोड सो फार। सो आई होप आपको ये कैफ़े अच्छा लगा होगा, आपको ये हमारा व्लॉग अच्छा लगा होगा, और ऐसे और भी कैफ़ेज़ देखने के लिए और भी अमेजिंग प्लेसेस देखने के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ, और वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना।
Thanks for watching and subscribe. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel.
एंड आई होप आप सबको ये हमारा एपिसोड अच्छा लगा होगा। एंड दिस इज़ द पर्सन बिहाइंड दिस कैफ़े, दिस ही इज़ द ओनर।
Namaste, swap. Oh, sorry. Do it again.
नमस्ते, स्वागत है आप सबका।
my God.
Okay.
Can we do it before? Can we do it together before we record?
Yes.
So,
Namaste,
Namaste,
स्वागत है
Okay. Namaste, swagate,
आप सबका।
ab sabka. Okay.
Okay.
Namaste, swagate, ab sabka.
Amazing staff with us. So let's see how they feel about working. Okay. Yeah. And keep the mic closer to your mouth. Okay. What's your good name? Maria. Okay, can I say one second for your answer? Yeah. So I'm going to ask next to me is a
Thank you so much.
You can say namaste as well.
So this was the 5th episode of our recent series Best Cafes in Perth featuring the Raw Nature Cafe, and I hope आप सबको हमारा ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा होगा। वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। हम ऐसे ही आपके लिए बहुत सा अमेजिंग कंटेंट लेकर आते रहेंगे। टिल देन स्टे सेफ, एंजॉय द कॉफ़ी वेरेवर यू आर। हर हर महादेव।